Hey guys, welcome to CodingPlaza. Today we are going to look into the concepts of chain directory that's called CD in the Linux, right? So here you can able to see that there are different types of CD commands you can able to utilize in the Linux, right? So here coming to here, see, change to the specific directory is there no here, and move up one directory. Like move up means we can able to go back and switch to previous directory, and move up means like one step back, one step come out, and cd hyphen or else cd space you can able to give. Instead of space I'm giving hyphen. It means that go to home directory, it's called root directory. Okay, it's like you are in the desktop, you want to go to c drive directly where it is located. Simply if you are giving cd hyphen means you will go to directly root directory, okay, where the your software is located, or else where you have defined the root directory. Okay, and let's start. Here we are going to cover the topics of that. What is CD command and basic usage of CD. Okay, see here what is CD command and basic usage of CD and how to use that, and moving up one directory like CD hyphen dot dot, and switching to the previous directory CD hyphen, and going to the home directory, and finally summary as usual. Okay, this we know that, and then we start this. And what is CD command? CD stands for change directory. It allows you to move from one directory to another the Linux file system. Okay, so what it will do means it will allow you move from one directory to another directory. Normally in Windows, what you will do, you will move from one directory to another directory. You click on the directory, double click on that, and it will be go inside. Or else you will click on the arrow buttons in the corner, it will come out, right? So here only we have to use the commands that cd. It's called chain directory. Okay, in Linux the good thing is what no. So every word having clear explanation will be there, and clear name will be there easily, and everybody can able to understand that. Okay, and instead of clicking through folders, you can use this command to quickly navigate directories in the terminal. Okay, instead of clicking on the folders like Windows, you can able to use this command to quickly navigate directories in the terminal. So this command moves you to the home mobile system desktop in the directory. Okay, so normally cd I'm going to move from mobile to desktop. I think previous video also same example I shown you, and here also I will show you how to do this. Okay, so I'm going to start the mobiles. Yeah, if anybody watching newly my video, already I made a video how to configure this mobiles in the Windows, same like Linux terminal. Okay, so you can able to see that, and you can able to configure in your Windows system. Okay, let's see list this, and then after here we want to move to desktop, right? cd desktop. If I am giving this command, what will happen here, I have moved to cd desktop command. Okay, here I will list the files. See, here a lot of files came, right? Correct, no? Home, mobiles and desktop I have moved, right? So like this you can able to move to different directories, and here I will be moving to another directory. Anything directory is there, directory means how we have to found here with the permissions. The d means directory in like my app. I will go cd my app. Yes, it is a directory. Okay, so here my app is there, like React Native product is there, so it's going on. So that here one directory is there. Like this you can able to move. Okay, so you may have seen that, right? How the real time example will be there. Yeah, this is what the cd command basic. Okay, basic usage of cd command. So moving into a directory. Yeah, this is what I got covered now. Actually, to move into a specific directory and check the current directory using pwd command. Okay, so earlier video, before this I made a video on pwd, right? So that command also will cover here, where we are already it is showing, but some terminals it won't show this. Okay, it will show only arrow mark. At the time we can check that pwd. Earlier I explained you, right? cd or else remove command, or else like move command if you are using. Before that we have to check pwd, like where we are located, print working directory. Okay, we are going to tell the command terminal print working directory. Okay, so here we are checking, it's fine, right? My app directory came. So like this you can able to check this. and moving up one directory. Okay, be a habit that pivot using. Okay, so it will confirm that you are in the correct directory, and moving up one directory. Okay, sometimes you need to move back to the parent directory. To do this, you can check that cd dot dot space dot dot. Okay, you can give. So simply you can able to go one step back. Let's see that it will work or not. cd dot dot. Yes, I came to desktop, right? Earlier what I did, desktop inside desktop my app I went, no. So I want to come back to mobiles. Okay, yeah, this is what my root directory. I'm here. See here how I came here. cd dot dot and L command I given. Finally I came to here. So I can check that pivot. Yes, yeah, this is my root directory. So two steps back I came. That's it. So if I want to go to again desktop, same command desktop my, yeah, you can give like this with the slash difference you can give, and you can go to multiple directories inside. Okay, directly I came, not no need to give every time cd one folder again. So with a slash difference you can give a lot of things, and you can able to come two steps back also along with that. See, I'm giving like this, no, I came two steps back at a time. So no need to give every time single time, because we are having maybe 10 folders. The 10 folders we want to go one by one means it's not possible, right? So that we can use multiple commands with single command. Okay, yeah, I hope this has been covered. And switching to the previous directory, previous directory means nothing but one step back. Earlier cd dot dot we have seen, no, like multiple directories we can able to switch over using that. But if you want to switch from one directory to another directory, means that which we came back. Okay, like I will show you in real time. If you want to switch back to the last directory you are in. Okay, so normally what I'm going to do means I will show you here what it is. Cd hyphen xtop, no. So see here real time I will show you. Here what I did, cd earlier which directory I am in, my app, right? Okay, so now I want to go to my app means what I have to give, like this I have to give normally. Now if I am giving cd hyphen means what it will do means it will directly take me to the my app directory. This is what the specialty of the cd hyphen. Okay, so it will create a pointer and it will be store the last address where we are there, no. So that address into the cd hyphen and it will come back to the directory. Okay, again if I am giving cd hyphen means it will come back to home directory. Again if I am giving cdfl means it will come back to my app. Like this, between two last working two directories it will be switch over. Okay, you don't need to come back one by one, you can able to easily identify that. Okay, here it is automatically printing the pwd. Some of the linux flavors it won't print, but you can able to print using pvt. Okay, for confirmation purpose. I think you have understood this. No, somewhat little bit confusion will be there here for you guys. Again, if you require, I will be cover. See that cd hyphen means nothing but last working directory. Okay, last working directory means you are in the A directory and you using this cd command you move to z directory. Okay. Again, if you want to go A directory means you need to give this cd dot 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 like this. Okay, that dot you have to give, no need, and you can able to give simply this one. You can switch over to directly to a directory. That is what the example. Okay, I hope this you guys understood. If you are having any doubts, definitely you ping a comment and definitely I will explain separately this one. Okay, and going to the home directory. Yeah, this is what the home directory. Going to the home directory means nothing but root directory where your total project is being started and which is your root directory. Okay, if you want to quickly return to the home directory, simply type cd uh, hyphen, or else you can give cd space. For highlighting purpose I given the space. Okay, so this will cover. Come here. Okay, cd where we are now currently where we are located using pivot we will check that. Okay, we are located at my app, no. So now I want to go to my home location where home mobax time, no. So simply if I am giving cd space, if I am giving space, enter, that's it. Home directory event, I want to come back again. So cd space dash I will be here only. So like that, I can able to switch over to home directory. Sometimes directly from one directory to another directory, we have to go to home directory to check some profile files. No, see cd space. If I am giving this, definitely I will go there, right? Yeah, that's it now. So I came here, right? Here, if I want to check any bash histories or else any how many commands executed differently, different scenarios will be there. Normally, while starting, some profile files will be loaded. That is different concepts will be there. So this is what the basic concept of this. Okay. So going to home directory, cd hyphen give. This is somewhat tedious to control. Means you have to press that shift and that special symbol, or simply you can use cd space is better. I will prefer this one only. Okay. I think I think these are the basic four commands we are going to use using the cd. Okay. Then finally summary will see that path we have did in first step, and path to directory move into the specific directory. Okay, what we have did, we have moved to specific directory, and I have explained two in 2 minutes, most of the thing in 2 minutes. Okay, and cd dot dot means move one level up. Okay, one level up means just we have moved one level up. How many slash slash dot dot if you are giving, that many levels up you will go. Okay, then cd hyphen if you are giving, switch to the previous directory. Okay, previous directory which is last working directory will be moved, even it will be 10 steps back or else 5 steps back up to the last working directory. Okay, then after cd hyphen or cd space, okay, return to the home directory. Okay, what it will do means it will return you to the home directory. Home directory means which is your main root directory in that project. Okay, so then I hope it got covered. If you are having any doubt, definitely you comment me. I'll ping in chat, along with that I will reply you, and I will clear your doubts definitely 100%. And what's next means, in the next tutorial we will be learn about file and directory. Okay, how a file will be there, what is the difference between file and directory, and how the permissions. Sure, I will be cover everything. And management commands like mkdir, rm and cp, all the things slowly I will be covered one by one. So stay tuned guys, and please share, subscribe and like my videos. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. Yeah, have a nice day. Bye.